Hello guys, good evening. The time now is 7:36 in the evening, Kuwait time, and now I'm having a trouble detaching this oven door. It's now time to clean this oven. So you see the dirt? So what happened to me is that I broke this part. I'm looking for the clip of this hinge to remove this oven door. So what I did is I watched videos on the YouTube, but I didn't find actually the same oven as this. So what I did is I tried to experiment on this, and this is what happened. I broke this one. So now I just discovered that this one are going to be like this. Oh, I think this is wrong. This is wrong. Let's see. Yun. I think I put it in the wrong position. So we switch it this way. So let's see. So I put it this way, and the other one like this. And now I did it. What I did is just I lift up the door, I think how many degrees? 30 degrees angle, and then swing the door sideways a little bit so that it can detach. The hinge will be detached. So that's it. I hope that this experience helps to you as well. Bye! For further continuation, so as you can see, this glass panel is very dirty. We're going to remove this one. This is from the attach. So what we're going to do is to just lift this up. Carefully. The other one. And then chicken in. It's time to rock and roll for clean. By the way, this is my kitchen. Kitchen of Madam. Hey guys, we're back again. And now we're going to remove this. What do you call this? Yun. This one, as you can see, there is a hole here. It's easy like that. The left. Now we're going to remove the right. It's quite hard.
This is not your ordinary,